I'm here with the DeLonghi La Specialista Opera Bean to Cup coffee machine with HomeCafe kit. It's got 5 preset recipes for barista style hot and cold drinks, so you can make authentic Italian espressos, Americanos, or refreshing cold brews. This can get the most out of whatever beans you put into it. It's also got 3 infusion temperatures to choose from to get the best possible extraction for your roast, and the integrated grinder can get the perfect texture with 15 grind settings. Then with the 19 bar pressure and thermoblock technology that keeps a consistent water temperature, every extraction will taste great. This also has a My Latte art steam wand, which lets you create velvety milk foam for lattes, cappuccinos, flat whites, or even hot chocolates. Perfect for latte art. And in the box, you get the HomeCafe kit, which includes a knockbox, hot and cold glasses, a vacuum coffee bean canister, so you've got everything you need.